Okay, so it's hard to do a day in the life, but we got up, brushed our teeth, washed Zoe's hair, styled Zoe's hair, and now we are on our way to the beach for a friends and family day, because Zoe has been wanting to go to the beach for the longest, so we are on our way to the beach. Say hi! Where are we going? Where are we going, Zoe? Yeah? Where are we going? To the beach. And then afterwards, Zoe is going to spend some time with her, drum roll please, with her Amachi and her Apacha. Yeah. So we will see you guys once we make it to the beach. So we finally made it to the beach. And Zoe's face is over here turning red like a strawberry. She's starting to get a heat rash that fast on her face. Let me do some your fears. Come here, turn. You good? Hey, let me pin your hair. Come here. You ready to eat? Okay, look, this is how you feel. Go catch some water in this and come back to pour it in here. Don't go too far in the water, please. This one. Hi. Come on. She's such a big girl. Look at her. Bring your seat. Sit in this corner. You gotta stay out the sun a little bit, okay? As you had to go back to the car to get some cups. We forgot cups. Zoop! Come on, mommy. Zoe wants to go snorkeling. Snorkeling and everything. I'm like, no, Zoe. We can't. First of all, where's the ice?
The remainder is inside there. Most of the ice is inside there.
I'm trying to get it out. Now, look, we gotta put more sand in there, and then you gotta pour water on there again. Here. Get the sand and put it in there. I'm just asking where it is so I can put some in the cup.
If you want to hold it, just there's ice inside there.
Oh, okay. We don't got no plates, do we?
It's inside there.
Pour that in there and come drink some of this water. You got the wine. Drop the wine. carry this water as carefully as she can. Look at that baby.
Give me another ball.
Huh?
Give me another ball.
Another ball? You do it though. It's okay. We got it from Dollar Tree.